Right, I've borrowed a car. George doesn't know this, but I'm borrowing this car to show you exactly what this tool's all about. So I've just bought this tool. This was the one I was on about in my live this morning. Now for DSGs, it's absolutely perfect, because what happens is, when you put a full 6 litres of oil in, the DSG takes, which is all in that, we hang it from the bonnet. It's gravity fed. We hang it from the bonnet. And of course, these struts aren't designed to hold 6 litres. So what you do is, I'm going to do this one-handed. So hopefully it works quite well. And then twist it on, and it just holds that on. That's all on there, and then that just stops it unwinding. And there you go. You're absolutely sorted. This was 11 quid, I think, from Amazon. You'll find the link in it down below. So if you just follow that link, you'll buy this. It was on Prime as well, next day delivery, which is absolutely epic. So this is probably the main reason I've bought this, just to hold this 6 litres of DSG oil and stop putting so much strain on that. You won't want 6 litres of oil just dropping on your head, because these bonnets are quite heavy. But nonetheless, thanks for coming along, guys. Check that link down in the description and you can get yourself one of these right cheap and next day delivery.